Good afternoon. As you could probably see, I got the wagon out again. We're on third cut silage. Only 2 fields to pick up today. We've had a 35 acre and 15 acres. It's not a heavy crop on this, well, I say it's third cut, so quite a light crop. I cleared the 35 acres in 8 loads. So I'm now on the 15 acre field. On the second load, so cleared the ditch, which is 5 rounds round. We did 4.5 rounds before I was full. So yeah, we're moving on. So trying to be quick because the grass is drying very quickly. If you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Load from that field. In total I got 2.5 loads. Now on the way back to the farm. Unload this, unhitch it then sit it on next. There's only 2 fields we had to bring in today. Did a couple of fields yesterday. We'll get all back, clean the top off, unhitch everything and then see it all on after. We're now on the baler. First time I've been on the baler this year. Baling up our straw. Big round bales. We've got a set of knives on the baler, so we keep them in. That's same at 90%, so almost there. That's another bale done. We've got knives in the baler so it chops it as it's going in. So we run them just so it chops it. I think there's 6 inches in between them. There's only a dozen or so knives in it. Run them just so it's easier then feeding out. Yeah, we chop it as it's going in, and then when it gets 90% we drop the blades out just for the last 10% of the bale, and then it wraps itself. So every now and again I push the lever which is for the back door forward. So we put it back for the back to open the back door and push it forwards to close it and to pressurise the system. So every now and again I flick it forwards to pressurise the system, keep the back door closed against it.
time I first saw you, I thought you'd be mine and it felt so good. One look in your eyes and I swear I knew of your kiss, your touch, your love. And I can't breathe, I'm struggling, my heart's at ease, 'cause I'm drowning in your love. It seems that the love songs have got it all wrong. I thought I would fly.
That's the 2 fields of bales done. As you can see in my drone footage, I was a bit close to the dram when I emptied one bale out and pulled forwards before shutting the gate, and I had a load of hay go through the baler. I cleaned that up anyway on the last bit round, so yeah, we've all done now. That's how many bales I've got. We did have one breakdown, the chain broke. I've done 47 on the screen, there's another 6 to go on that, which is 53. It's 53 bales, 54 bales, because there's one back at the yard when the chain broke, we ramped up, which didn't get counted. It's 54 bales. Yeah, the chain that broke, I'll show you in a minute. Underneath, I didn't film us repairing it because we just want to get going again. I was eating lunch, it was being repaired, but let's clean you off a minute. We've got the 2 chains in here. The inside one broke, wrapped itself round. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. Got it going again, put a new link in, and got it going. So yeah, if you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.